Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about cost versus price and why it's so imperative to have your vehicle serviced at a quality facility like the West Automotive Group. Cost. Cost is something that is the end result. So we're going to start with price. Price is something if you call around and you actually ask, how much is it to put a timing belt on my vehicle? How much is it to replace a brake master cylinder? Everybody's going to give you some sort of cost. Now the difference in those costs can often be, is it a qualified technician doing the repair? Is it a quality part they're putting on the vehicle? Is it offshore? What's the longevity? What kind of warranty do you give with the vehicle? And how great a repair are you going to get on the vehicle and peace of mind? Now the cost is the end result is if you have the vehicle repaired at a non-qualified facility, that the parts aren't of the highest quality, the vehicle breaks down, you have to have the vehicle towed, adds to the cost. You have to get a rental vehicle, loss of work, and the stress that goes with it. That is the total cost. So remember when you're sourcing auto repair, it's best to find a quality facility with a long-time warranty and qualified technicians for your peace of mind. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.